Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you this plastic restore. Yes guys, actually this is completely bullshit. You know, I'm gonna show you this brand, it's called Shepherd, and this is plastic restore as they draw for you the car down. Look guys, this is that he can do from this to this, blah blah blah. You know guys, I tried, it's doing nothing. You know, just he give little bit shining and he let the material become slippery and it sound annoying. My teeth I can't handle. But that he restored it, guys, you know where I found it? In this TikTok advertisement on Instagram. So I said let me order it. Cost $15 by the way, not cheap. And guys, he's doing nothing. Let's try it together now. But guys, before we go any further, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now. So okay guys, I'm gonna try it now on chair. See, plastic restore, blah blah, all this bullshit. See guys, how they draw the front bumper for car, how it was and how it's become. You know, German quality. Okay, let's try this part. Okay, enough. It's already enough. And this is, we have sponge here. Guys, wait, don't be happy, this is still wet. I mean, let me clean it well. Don't, it's still wet. Wait, I'm gonna. Okay. I mean, guys, I mean, this is still wet. Don't you think that this is... let me put for you light here. Okay, guys, I brought the spotlight here that you can see. Listen, as I told you, it's just shining, you know. You know this polish that... you know, guys, this spray shoes that you cost $1.50, that the sponge have oil. It's gonna do for you the same. See? Where is the store? I mean, guys, this is... you cannot call this as they draw here. See here how they draw it. They draw it, this was like this, and this became like this, like brand new. And this is, guys, bullshit. It's not here. It's real. It's not like the see by yourself. Where is that? This is shining. This is will go after 1 minute. It's because it's still wet. See, if I will clean it well, and guys, it's become slippery. This is, you know what? Just wash it again by water. It will back again like this. Which is mean if it will rain in your car, so it will back like this. Bullshit, guys, this is all marketing, you know. All this is not real. By the way, I forget to invite you for tea. You want, guys? It's full of menthol, so healthy. You know, guys, this is all marketing. This is all bullshit. It's gonna restore, it's gonna make your car like brand new. All this advertisement, 90% of them that you see them on TikTok, Instagram, stuff like that, this is just marketing. This is Chinese brand, cost nothing. This spray inside is just for shining, you know, giving shining a little bit. And if it's gonna rain up of your bike or bicycle or car or whatever, the color will back again like normal. You know, guys, the spray shoes that you do with the sponge that you buy it and you clean your shoes, it's just oil. And when you go outside, you collect all sand in the world. This is not so much like this one, the spray shoes. It's not so much like this one, but guys, this one also is just a shining, you know, giving shine. It's not restoring plastic, color, original, all this bullshit, don't believe it. It's just giving shining, and it's not deserve $15, you know. This is maximum $2. And when you buy it extra with $2, don't buy it and believe that it's gonna let it be like brand new. It's just gonna give shining for 24 hours maximum, or 2 days, and then it will go back again. And don't do it for a seat, for your chair. You know why? It will let your chair become slippery and do sound, especially if your car is skin salon, you know? Don't do it. Anyway guys, I just want to advise you to not fall in this bullshit. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up. I will see you in another video with Hatem from Objection. And peace and love and money for all of you.